A lot of times I tell you guys power is organized effort, and I want to say it another way that'll maybe help you. Another way to say it is I believe in harmony. Okay? When things are working in harmony, things just flow. Napoleon Hill says there's one side of the stream that leads to poverty, one side to riches. He's referring to harmony, the flow of things. At first it's just your own mind flowing in the positive direction automatically by making the 13 principles of Think and Grow Rich a part of your habitual behavior, therefore crafting a permanent mindset. And if you don't have that, then your mind is actually, I guess the word is disharmonious, right? Or dissonant. Your mind is dissonant, okay? So it's unorganized. And this lack of organization is a lack of power, okay? He says, money consciousness must be made to order, but a poverty consciousness requires no plans. So what that means is, if it's organized, you're good, but you have to work to organize things. Your own mind, your mastermind, group of people working in an effort together. So again, power is organized effort. I believe in harmony. Okay, and you will harmonize with that which you are most like. Like attracts like. That's the law of attraction. It's not just you keep your vision ahead of you and it will come to you. Some people think manifestation is just think about it and it'll come to you. And it gets a lot of flack for that. Law of attraction actually is like attracts like. If your mind is organized, harmonious, agreeable, conscientious, persistent, pleasing, all those different qualities that Napoleon Hill names, you'll attract people like that to yourself. Last thing I'll leave you with, he has a part in Law of Success where he says an illiterate hobo and a college professor would have nothing in common, and they'd be miserable if they were forced to spend a long period of time together. Harmonize, okay? Be willing to fold many hands to get the right hands. That just means go with what harmonizes. Power is organized effort. Okay? Keep that at the forefront of your mind. It's very important.